Ayun ata pag meron akong fake nails.
Oo.
Pero since wala, we need to skip that. So-
Paano natin i-remove yan? Direct drill na lang natin.
Oo, i-ano mo muna, i-drill mo muna.
Hmm.
Tapos, yun na.
Hindi na siya papalambutin.
Hindi, i-drill mo muna, tapos papalambutin. Ayun o.
Kakailanganin natin itong...
Yan ba yun? Same
Oo.
lang din ba yun? Okay, go.
Magic gel.
Ayaw mo muna i-drill.
Sige, drill na muna natin.
Yan, para hindi ka mahirapan.
Ma-experience ko siya.
At hindi ka mahirapan pag nag-remove ka lang.
Yes.
Taray naman.
Ito.
So, yun na yung pang-remove. Ay, yung drill mo.
Driller. Ayan siya. Ayan, maandar na.
God!
Ano, kaya ba? Teka walang pagka may nangyari Ay, gulog pala yun. Nakakatakot siya gamitin.
Hindi ka ba binigyan ng iba-ibang klaseng dinidrill?
Meron,
Alam mo na siya paano siya gamitin.
Ito usual na nakikita ko sa nakasaksak nila
Okay.
Kaya ito yung sinaksak ko din. Yan na tayo.
Magkaan naman pala kamay mo.
Siyempre nagtatattoo ako. Kaya kailangan.
Alam mo na pag sumigaw ako
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun. Videoan naman, videoan kita.
Sige. Sige lang. Hindi natin naunto. Ano ba naman yan?
Okay lang, practice pa.
Nangangapa pa talaga tayo. Yung ko dito, brush.
Aray.
Diba? Mayroon akong ganyan.
Tapos dapat pilalagyan ka din yung grill mo.
Yun o. Kasi nandun siya sa gilid Ayun, nabakbak ko na yung gel. Kaya pala kahit walang remover Gel lang siya
I-remove mo na lang, baka maubos yung kuko ko.
Ito to. Tama, may point ka dun. Teka ha. Sabi ko sa'yo mag-apply muna tayo ng yung remover.
Okay. Sige.
Apply na tayo, no?
Okay.
Papalambutin natin. Tapos magtutuklap yan. Gagamitan natin ngayon ng pusher.
Hindi naman to yung hapde.
Hindi na, ingatan ko na lang sa balat mo para sigurado tayo. Yun nga siya, hindi siya malapot Pati yung bump, hindi siya malapot.
Bomb ba yan?
Bump.
Expensive ba?
Kaya naman. Di ba kanina pinapakita mo na sa akin yung may bump ka na Na-search kanina. Pwede ko palang remove ko rin to Tapos mag-practice din ako sa kuko ko Di ba?
UV ata to, Ashley.
UV nga.
Baka matuyo yung...
Off ko muna. Tanggalin ko muna yan. Off ko muna siya.
Ayan. Ay, ito nag-record mo pala.
Oo. I-record ko siya. Kita yung nails mo dyan.
Ayun, nararamdaman ko naman.
Ramdam mo?
Ipit. Ano ba yan? Ipit. Ito. Bumili ka ba ng mga... ganyan.
Yes. Ito yung gloves. Kailangan ba natin ng gloves? So, Suot na tayo.
Siguro kung may client ka na, kailangan mo.
Ito, kailan, gusto mo ba mga ganyan?
What's that? Nancy.
Yung design sa kuko.
Ah, okay. Pwede naman.
Gusto mo maglagay ng ganyan. Testing natin. Daming pang kikay. Excited.
Kita mo lang lagyan.
Wasak-wasak na nga siya eh. Pwede na siguro.
Okay na? Or you need to wait, I guess.
Kanina pa to more than 5 minutes. Kailangan siguro natin ng cuticle. Hindi na.
Hindi na, okay na ako.
Pero nare-remove ko siya.
Kasi baka parang tutuklap ata yun sa cheek pag okay na.
Oo.
Look at this. Diba? Gumaganon siya eh.
Mumubula.
Mm-mm.
Hindi pa yata. Kulong pa yata yan. Ano pa ba yung mga remover ko dito? Ito.
Ano remover? Babasa ako.
Gel remover. Iba kasi nakasulat. Kaya nilagyan ko na siya ng ng tanda. Try din natin yan. Baka pa pwede. Dami kong mga para kong palambot. Babad.
Gusto mo bang i-adjust natin?
Pwede naman. Anong sagot na Ron? Nagalit ba?
Hindi mo magagalit yun.
Ito mas maganda eh.
I think babad talaga.
Mukha nga. Kailangan siguro
Oo.
ibabad na iki. Pasensya na. First time ko
Okay
rin
lang,
eh.
okay lang. Ano naman to trial?
Trial and error muna tayo.
Ayan, alam mo, as you can see, nagaganon yung
Umaangat na siya,
oo.
no?
So, I think we need to wait na maging OA yung pagkaamat na.
Parang naluluto siya, no?
Diba?
Parang naluluto nga siya.
Dami ko parang boxes na. Ito,
Oh, yun yung inassemble ko kagabi. Uy, sandali siya, oh.
Diba? We need to wait
Oh,
lang.
diba? Tanggal mo na rin siya kagad. Duda ko, more than 15 minutes tong babad na to. No. Tanggal na siya. Ganun pala kaano yung ano, gel.
Wait lang talaga siya.
So, ito hindi mo na yan. Sorry.
Ano ba daw? Ilang minutes ba daw sabi?
Dun sa, ano, tutorial o itong ano?
Diyan. Ilang minutes na to wait? Ang pangalan niyan, Bomb?
Yun kasi nakita ko dun sa, ano eh, sa Ronnie's na, ano, sabon. Parang wala siyang, ayun, 5 to 8 minutes.
Ay! Gusto mo alam tayo para sure.
Mag-alarm na lang. 8 minutes.
Ayan. So, ito daw siya. So, while waiting dito na tayo para yung
Para
oras.
papanambutin.
Oo.
Ito, hindi pa yata
Oo,
nalagyan.
hindi pa nga. Go lang. Para to save time.
Sige naman. Buti na lang makikay ka din katulad ko.
Oh, you can feel it.
Ano, umiinit?
Hindi, parang may gumagalaw lang.
Sa nails mo? Ano yun? Parang kumukulo.
Oo.
Pagka, delikado madikit sa balat eh. Ang sayo naman. Ang saya naman.
Diba?
Uy, umaangat na siya. In fairness, tingnan mo.
Diba? Dapat talaga the longer the...
Ayun o. Kita mo. Kitang-kita na yung effect. Kumulot siya. Kumulot.
Few more minutes.
Ito, okay na siguro yan. Ayun, tanggal na. Tigas pala niya, no? Talagang buong-buo.
Kailangan mo talaga sundin yung ano.
Yung procedure niya. Hindi na lang dat yan. Hindi ba? Meron na tayong tools.
Ito mo, medyo okay na.
Ano? Ang cute pala ng daliri mo, no? Pahaba. Hindi siya mataba katulad ng ibang nails.
Umaba na lang siguro.
Pahaba siya.
Please send me menu. Hey, is your wife here?
No, she's not.
What did you wrong with you last night?
What do you mean? What did I do?
Oh, you know you recommended that. Okay. Your heart will skip a beat today. Hopefully not permanently. Well, I don't like that one very much.
Look, that's my thought. Uniqlo? No. Mango? No. So kahadating.
Daisy wasn't the one who sold it. No, we're here.
Naka-order?
No.
Ayun na, chicken. Ay, drizzle.
Hindi ko may order.
Ha?
Hindi ko may order.
Order mo na. Order mo na.
Nagagalit na si Bossing. Orderin mo na daw yung food. Mukhang love na love ka na Aaron eh. No? Buti na lang, love na love ka niya. Ayan, tingnan mo naman oh, nag-aangatan sila. Ang cute tignan.
Ayun, tapos din
O, oh, diba? Nakaisa na tayo. Yeah. Ano, tatry natin mag-extend. Oh, muna. Try natin
try
mag-extend.
natin.
Sige. Luwag muna natin mga yan. Bago tayo mag-isa.
Magkano ba siya?
Ngayon nakakahigop siya. Oh. Mga kalat-kalat.
Oh my god, ang galing.
O, diba? Para siyang magic. Magic talaga siya. Konti na lang.
Do you not get the concept? It's awful. Like awful.
Drink ka na, gatas. One word. You just opened the... What? Is that even brushing hair? Doing.
Sa baba mo. I-brush mo sa baba.
Okay. No. Sa baba. Eh. This is why I have short hair.
Ano nalagyan ka? Gusto mo ng gloves?
Hindi na, ano ko.
Allergy?
Hindi, okay lang.
What's that?
Kaya ito yung series. Ay, wala perfume. Opo. Kabaon mo nga. Yung turn right. Nakita turn. Wait. Kundi kayo nakikita.
Lipstick.
Promotion.
I know. Also not too big. Okay. Also for some reason.
Hindi masakit nga siya sa balat, ano?
Lagyan ka.
Sakit siya sa balat.
Body dancing. It's all.
Ay, naka-off mo.
Alcohol.
Louis, drink ka na, gata. You just opened the air. What? Is that even brushing hair? Louis.
Sa baba mo. I-brush mo sa baba.
Okay.
No! Sa baba! Again!
Camila, we're on stream. Are you watching the stream?
No.
You should pull it up. It's up. No, don't worry about it. It's a fun stream. Actually, I just thought of something else. So I remember seeing that Sophie makes more than LeBron James now, and so I was curious. Could you like maybe connect me with her so I could see if she was interested in helping a good cause?
Yeah, I'll text you her number.
Okay. And I just call her. What can you tell her? We're gonna call.
Yeah. I'll let her know.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Okay, that was. All right, he's gonna run on the treadmill after we call Sophie, who makes more money than LeBron James, and see what we can get. Call Trey.
Yo, you better not business. You better pressure like you pressured everybody else. You better go harder so we get. Yeah, fast.
Okay, yeah, we could have a big goal. Camila, we're on stream. Are you watching the stream?
No.
You should pull it up. It's up. No, don't worry about it. It's fun. Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
Oh,
I'm
what-
good. How are you?
Nice to meet you. I don't think we've ever talked before.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for this.
Yeah, no problem. We're doing this thing where we can't end the live stream till we raise $8 million for charity. So we're kind of stuck here. It's getting late. And
Mga
I've
update
never
na nga
seen
siya.
that you make more money
Update,
than
nandun
LeBron
na.
James now. Yeah, so I was
Sa
just
mga
thinking,
dito-dito.
you know, would you mind donating to help people in need? Every dollar donated is
pwede,
your $2.
pwede.
Pwede naman.
Lagyan natin ng alcohol para
I'm just not sure how to apply
Okay.
because I want to donate $1 million.
Wait. Did you say $1 million?
Yes, I want to donate $1 million.
You sure?
Yes, no, I'm
Pati
100%
hindi
sure.
siya
This
eh.
is an awesome cause. I appreciate everything you do. You're just an amazing person.
You sure you want to commit to $1 million?
Yes, I am committing to
And this is her real number. This is not someone's voice. All right, thank you. So it's
No, this is
Naisip ko tuloy kung lagyan natin ng gloves yung kamay mo. Hindi ito mahisa. Para hindi mahapdian. Putasin na lang natin.
Pero sige, ituloy na lang muna natin to.
Okay. Hindi, I mean yung isa mong kamay.
Oo.
Para yung ano, hindi masaktan. Kumati yung balat. Ito. Suot ka ng gloves.
Paano? Bubutasan.
Bubutasin natin. Gawin natin yung sa tutorial. proper tools tayo. No? Sige, try mo na yung suot.
Kahit may ganito pa?
Pwede naman siguro yan.
Or butasan muna para pag shoot ko.
Pwede.
Butasan muna natin. Yun lang. Sige. Ay, butasan muna.
Ang cute. Kulang pa pala.
Okay lang.
Yung pala purpose nun. Kaya, nagano sila ng ganyan. Okay, ang cute. Stick. Trial and error muna tayo.
I think kaya na yan. Iganon mo na lang.
Sige.
Konting...
Tuklapin ko na lang. Ganon. Ganyan.
Ah,
Kaya naman pala eh.
baka maubos yung...
Oo, yung gamot.
Konting ano lang. Hindi ka makukulis.
Nangati ka na. Anhin ka kayo ng alcohol. Kahit tayo ng alcohol. Para less yung hindi.
Diba? The more na matagal siya.
Mas madali siyang i-remove. Tsaka makikita naman yun, no? Tignan mo umaangat-angat. Kaya, kung malambot na o hindi pa. Pwede siya. Ganun.
Dami ka lilinis.
Okay lang yan. Ganun talaga. Okay lang yan. Kulang pa siya.
Wala pa.
Push muna natin yan. Yun yung isa pa. Tignan ko siya.
Ano ba ito? Kaya ko siya. Malambot naman na kasi siya lang.
Oo. Ito yung sa kuko mo lumambot na kaya madali na siyang i-push. Practice muna. Kulang pa? O ano? Lagyan na natin ng cuticle. Para na tayo push. Dapat nakabili ako nung ano eh.
May spray.
Oo, yung spray. Ano to? Kailangan i-cut o ano? Okay lang dikitan natin na ganyan.
Kailangan ata i-cut. Siguro ano na lang.
Ano?
Nalala ko pala, ayaw pala ni Aaron ng extension.
Hindi, huwag na lang masyado mahaba.
Pwede din.
Okay ba sa'yo yan?
Pero alam ko kinakat nila eh. Nung pagkaano mo ba, kinat ba nila yung kuko mo?
Oo yata, binawas.
Oo.
Alam ko, pinail ko muna siya eh. Yung talagang, hindi na masyado pudpud. Pero, binawasan ko yung kuko ko nun eh, bago mag-ano eh, salon.
Nung kay Honey, nakita mo ba? Hindi masyado.
Hindi masyado.
Kasi ayoko lang ng sobrang haba.
Sige. Basta, ano yan. Push muna natin. Gayahin natin yung napapanood natin sa salon.
Eh, binili mo din.
Ano? Hindi. Matagal ko na
Hindi ka pa
binili.
umorder? Hindi ka gutom? Chicken. Ay, chicken. Drizzle something. Oo. Or Taco Bell. Or Taco Bell.
Social. Taco Bell. Actually, matagal ko nang nabili yung set na yan. Kasi natagal na maghihilig ako mag-manicure, pedicure, ganyan. Naman ko yung sarili ko. Kaya sira-sirahan na nga yun eh. Yung lalagyan na niya. Organizer.
Ano daw? Ay, go! Akala ko nga yun in-order mo eh.
Narinig mo yun?
Oo.
Parang ang labo ng boses mo.
Yun. Tingnan mo, Chi.
Oh. Wow, galing.
Diba, 8 minutes. Siguro ano talaga, para
Patagalan.
makatipid ka.
Ah, nagninias kami slid daw. Sige.
Hanap ka.
Ay, ganyan yan pagka dumadating hinahanap ako. Parang hindi pa masyado. Ano, kulang pa sa push.
Hindi, okay na yun. Kanina pala, drain mo pala dapat. Ito, pwede mo na ito i-drain.
I-drain?
Oo. I mean, i-drain. I-drain.
Drill. Okay.
Para masubok mo.
Pwede naman.
Okay.
Diba? Ito, unti-unti. Titikil muli natin, Mitch.
Magkano? Hey. Nakabel. Yeah.
Bro, Chad, no shot. Oh, there you go.
Wow.
Wow.
Sophia ring with $1 million. That is crazy.
That is insane.
Shot to Sophia. That's awesome.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you.
Bro, Chad, no shot. Oh, there you go.
Wow.
Wow.
Sophia ring with $1 million. That is crazy.
That is insane.
Shot to Sophia. That's awesome.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you. Did you say?
I wanted to.
Hey, children, so many questions. Who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking?
Hey! Stream. Actually,
Hi, I'm your mom. I really want you to be but I think you're a boy. Hi! I'm your tita. Hi, I'm your tita. I think you're a boy. Hi, I'm your tita Blight, and I think you're a girl.
Hi, I'm your Tito G and I think you're a girl. Hi, I'm Tito Blue and I think you're a boy.
Ninang ako. Hi, I'm your ninang Christine. I think you're a boy. Hi, I'm your tita Sky, and I think you're a boy.
I'm your Ninang and I think you're a girl.
I'm your Tito and I think you're a girl.
Hi, I'm your tita Shams, and I think you're a girl.
Hi, I'm Noel and
Yung pinapanood mo ngayon sa Netflix.
Wala. Wala masyado. Anime ako ngayon.
Oh.
Do you have OCD? Yes, I do. I never open doors with my hands because if I touch anything, I have to wash my hands immediately. I have to squeeze 2 pumps of hand soap and wash my hands for more than 10 minutes every time. Even if I turn off the faucet after washing my hands, I still feel like my hands are dirty, so I wash them again. I even carry a hairdryer with me every time I go out. Because if someone touches my hair, I'll go to the bathroom and use shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair again. I chose to see a doctor because of my OCD, but what I didn't expect was that all the patients here have OCD. The man in front of me never steps on the grid lines. When his glasses are about to fall off, he must hold them with both hands. He has severe symmetrical OCD and everything must be arranged neatly. But I think the most interesting one is this man, because he has the most severe OCD. Every 5 minutes, he would provoke others on the street without restraint. The more nervous he got, the more provocative he became. For this reason, he specifically found a job that didn't require him to show his face, staying home to raise birds. But the birds he sold were all returned because these parents only knew how to curse. In the past half hour, he provoked others 56 times. But he didn't calculate this number himself. The taxi driver did. He suffers from calculation OCD. When going upstairs, he can't help counting the stairs. When driving, he can't help counting the vehicles. He even locked a passenger in the car just to count the railings. This woman has the most common checking OCD. Every time she leaves home, she feels like the windows aren't closed. To reinforce the impression, she makes a smooth motion after locking the door. When she enters the elevator, she even feels like she didn't bring the house keys. If she doesn't go home to check, she feels like she's lost her soul for the rest of the day. Finally getting into the car, she hears a passerby say that a thief entered through the window, so she immediately goes home to check. Thus, she spends the entire day traveling between home and work. Just then, the assistant bursts